السميع العليم من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. اللهم عجل لوليك الفرج عليه السلام. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم والعن عليهم أجمعين. Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. After pledging allegiance to the Imam of our time, we now ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us the opportunity to be among His supporters and to partake in His lofty mission of eradicating evil and establishing truth. And so we recite in Dua al-Ahad, Allahumma ja'alni min ansarihi wa a'wani wal dhabina anhu. Oh Allah, please do make me of His supporters, sponsors, defenders. Wal musari'ina ilayhi fi qada'i hawaiji, and those who hurry in carrying out His instructions. Wal mumtathilina liwa amrih, those who comply with His orders. Wal muhamina an, those who uphold Him. Was-sabiqina ila iradatih, those who precede others to implementing His will. Wal-mustashhadina bayna yadayh, and those who will be martyred before Him. Now in this prayer we are asking Allah that He should make us His supporter, His sponsor, His defenders, and we should be those who hurry in carrying out His instructions. My question here is, when He has not yet reappeared, are we hurrying to carry out His instructions? Do we follow Him as we are supposed to be following Him? Are we true to our bay'ah? If we are not, we need to think. And then we say we want to be among those who comply with His orders. Are we really? We need to think. And then we say we want to be those who uphold Him. I want to stress on upholding Him. The Ahlul Bayt alayhimu salatu wassalam have said, do not be a ba'is dhillah for us. Do not be a cause of shamefacedness for us. Rather be a ba'is izzah for us. Be such of character that people look up to us when they look at you and say, yes, she is a Zahrai. Yes, he is a follower of Amir al-Mu'mineen. Yes, he is a Shia Ithna Ashari. And I'm really sorry I have to say this, that we are in a position whereby when we look at ourselves, we are nowhere there. Trust me, we are nowhere there. And here we are asking Allah to keep us there. So we need to work on it. We cannot just lip service. We cannot just say, Al-Ajal, Al-Ajal. What are our preparations for it? Imam has come. Then what? Are we ready? So while we are not ready, we are calling him. What if he comes? What are we going to do then? So we need to start preparing from now. We need to uphold the Imam in such a way that when people look at us, they say, yes, he is a Mahdavi, she is a Zahrai, he is a Zainabi, he is an Ali, he is a Husaini, because the Husain of the time is within. He is going to come. He is going to avenge Karbala, as we recite in Dua al-Nudba. And so we need to prepare, we need to uphold him. And then we say, we want to be among those who precede others in implementing his will. That means to say there is a race over here. You know there is a count of 313, of which only 50 are women. Ring bells? There we go. Only 50 women, 313, very limited number. My question is, where are the 313? Are you telling me in a community of 5,000, in a location where there are at least 1 million Shia, there are no 313? How Mazloom is our Imam? We need to think about this. Both you and I, we need to rectify ourselves. Let us make this the month of Ramadan. This Ramadan be a turning point for us. How many Ramadans have we seen coming and going? How many months of Ramadan have we seen coming, ending, commencing? How many years have gone? Year come, year go. Where are we? Are we moving forward towards our Imam, or are we moving backwards away from him? We need to think about this. We need to act wisely. We need to try now. We need to work hard, because in the coming verses we will see how and why we should work hard. So we are saying that we want to be among those who precede others. So there's a race. There's only 313, and who is going to secure that position? May Allah help us. And then we say, وَالْمُسْتَشْهَدِينَ بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ, those who will be martyred before him. So we want to race, we want to reach there, we want to be among the 313, and we want to be martyred with the Imam. Hello? Where are our actions? We need to work hard towards it, and the time is now. The time for doing it is now. It is already late. I cannot say before it's too late, because it's already too late. But still, he is in Ghaiba. We still have an opportunity. Let's pledge to the Imam. Let's pledge today to drop at least one bad habit, one evil, one in the eye, isn't it, for Iblis, and one up for the Imam. So let's pledge today, and let's finish off before we go to our next clip. And in our next clip, inshallah, we will be looking into how we are praying. And when we looked at the benefit of reciting Dua Ahad, we said if you die and the Imam has not yet arrived, what happens then? Tune in for our next clip. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم عجل لوليك الفرج عليه السلام.